gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Vivo Pad Air just launched yesterday. 144Hz fast refresh rate display, metal build, flagship grade processor, huge battery and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Vivo Pad Air. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The accessories inside the box are simple. Instruction manual, data cable, charging head, as well as the Vivo Pad Air. Let's take a look at them. Now let's talk about the screen. For tablet, the screen is super important. The screen on the Vivo Pad Air is cool. It's a decent 11.5-inch screen. Good for carrying around. It's not too big, just right for everyone's stuff. Unlike the Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, there is no big frame around the screen. Holding it feels comfortable. The screen is detailed with 2.8K resolution. Great for seeing pictures and videos clearly. It's also supports smooth with the 144Hz refresh rate for daily tasks. Plus, the screen shows the colors really well and supports things like HDR for better visuals. Also, it has 4 really strong speakers that make the sound awesome. Talking about how it looks, the Vivo Pad Air is like the Vivo Pad 2 in style. It's made for metal that's used in the airplanes. So there are no lines on the back for the antennas. They put these strips in during making for the tablet like this. Even though we might not notice them, the one I have is a light silver color and it looks simple and cool. It's really slim at about 6.67 mm and weight around 530 grams. This makes it look nice and thin. The edges are straight and strong, and even if you hold it for a while, your hands won't feel tired or uncomfortable. Talking about how well it works, the Vivo Pad Air has a Snapdragon 870 chip. The chip is good at the performing well without getting too hot. That's why it's called a great chip. The Vivo Pad Air uses this chip and is set up nicely to handle all sort of games. Plus, it has a big battery of 8500 mAh and a charger with 44 watts. It also comes with the 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. I have been trying it out and it works well without worrying about running out of the power or storage space. However, if you just want to use for music, videos and games, it might be more than what you need. The Vivo Pad Air runs on a system called the Origin OS 3, made for tablets. It's like the split screen display you often see. It makes things like meeting assistant easy. What's cool is the one-touch connection to the phones. This lets you do the stuff like sharing tasks, sending files and even projecting your phone screen. It makes devices work together better. Next time I will use these to upload files and show things like presentation from my phones. Of course, it's good for watching shows and playing games too. If you want to be productive, you can use a physical keyboard just like with an iPad. The Vivo Pad Air has a spot on the back to attach the Vivo Smart Keyboard Air. It has 2 angles to adjust the screen. This helps people like me who type a lot. Apart from the keyboard, a stylus is useful too. I paired the Vivo Pencil 2 with the Vivo Pad Air once. It's good for writing and drawing. It works quickly and can sense how hard you press. You can use it to take the notes or make drawings on the tablet. It's a small thing, but it's really nice to use. The base variant price of the Vivo Pad Air in China starts from 1799 Chinese yuan, roughly 195 pound in the UK. The Vivo Pad Air has the right hardware and the features at the good price. It feels like a great deal. Personally, I think it's perfect for college students or people starting out in the working world who needs a tablet. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below. Also, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.